History of Exo-Earth, my imaginary planet. From my imaginary post or whatever. 2026. Nothing. 2027. Nothing. 2028. The first rocket to orbit the moon has been the first satellite of the moon has been launched. As the first space station of the moon has been made. And please don't look, just don't look. 2029, 2030. The International Space Station has been destroyed. The International Space Station has been destroyed. The International Space Station has crashed into Earth. Kaboom! 2031, 2032, 2033. The first planet that almost has a planet like Earth has been discovered. The name is WASP W856A104. The star of WASP or blah 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 has been discovered. NASA named the star of WASP blah 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 exosun because it's kind of the same of the sun. The first photo of WASP blah 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 has been discovered. WASP blah 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 has renamed to Exo-Earth. The first rocket to and a mission to Exo-Earth has been made. The mission to Exo-Earth has been delayed. 2034, 2035, 2036, 2037. The mission to Exo-Earth has started. 2030. Some days from 2030 or 6. The rocket to Exo-Earth has stopped going because it ran out of some mass fuel. The moon gets more satellite orbiting it, and the mission has been delayed in 2034. No, 2040, 2041, 2042, 2040, 2043, 2044, 2045, and 2045. NASA found a way to make rocket go faster. Yeah, I forgot. The mission to ExoEarth has started from the delays. While you're going to ExoEarth, they found a they found they got this they got an image of ExoEarth that's more clear. After 1 week, they have got to ExoEarth. They noticed that ExoEarth is mostly like Earth, so they made the first CT. Please don't look. Yeah, please don't look. Don't look. Just don't look. Okay, just don't look. The f- uh, the first satellite that orbits ExoEarth has been made. By the way, it's 2037. No, 2047. 2048. 2040. 2049. 2040. 2050. 2051. 2052. 2052. 2052. A new country has been made in ExoEarth called the Humanity Republic. A new flower has been discovered in ExoEarth that is kind of like roses, but kind of more like daisies. 2055, I think so. Poppy Playtime Chapter 10 has been released. 2050, 2050, 2056, I think so. 2056. 2056. The Humanity Republic has grown a lot. (2057) The first mission to terraform the moon has started. 2050, 2053, no, 2058. Earth axis has kind of tilted a bit. Satellites of ExoEarth has find how does ExoEarth looks like. Twen- 2060. More satellites has been made around ExoEarth. ExoMercury has been discovered. 2061, 2062, 2060, 26, 2062, 2066, 2068, 8. The first Myanmar has made a state in Excel. No, I mean The USA made a state in Excel and is the 32 state. The first space station of Exo-Earth has been made, and the name is the Grace International Space Station. UK has got the United Kingdom has bought some islands from Exo-Earth. The population of the entire humanity has grown twice. One percent of the ocean. 1% of the ocean of Exo-Earth has been discovered. Scientists has discovered 25% ocean of Earth. 2070, Earth axis has tilted a bit, and the moon has got the moon terraformation is 1% from finishing, and humanity is trying to find a way to not make the moon escape Earth's gravity, because it's gonna escape Earth in the future. Twenty eighty, three continents has been discovered on actual Earth, and they are Sardinia, Arena, North Arena, and South Arena. Scientists on Exo-Earth has discovered Corania. That is a crater on Exo-Earth that is slowly disappearing. A building has collapsed. A building has collapsed. A building has collapsed. Because of a plane crash. 2090. 2090. 2090. 2090. The moon terraformation is 2% done. More cities has been made on exo-Earth. 3,000. Humanity has got to the 30th century, I think so. Or the 31st century. Every continent on exo-Earth has been discovered. They are Slovenia, I'm not gonna say this, you already know. And Croatia and Albania, North Anatolia and South Anatolia. You cannot see them because they are not here. The entire map of exo-Earth has been discovered. Has been made. A low quality version of it has also been. A low quality version of it was also made in 2035 or 2040. 50% of the exosystem has been discovered, or the solar system of exosun. The moon of exo-Earth has been discovered. I haven't made a map for it, so I'm just gonna put it like this. By the way. 3% of the moon terraformation is done. The first attempt to making the moon still orbit Earth failed.
Hello.
90 SD 3100 The 10th attempt of making the moon still orbit Earth has successfully won, and the terraformation of the moon is almost finished, and the terraformation of Mars has started, and 1,000 satellites has been made around the moon, and the population of humanity has grown 3 times. The biggest, the longest building on exo-Earth has been made. The Axolo the Axolo mission has started. That is the daily Apollo 11 or but XO version. The first satellites of Exo moon has been made. A, a country in Exo Earth that is right here has made their own calendar that is the year 2035. This is the end. Bye.